Do you want to screen mirror your iPhone with the latest iOS to your MetaQuest 3? Well, it's super easy. To do this, you'll need the Meta Horizon app. If you don't have it already, then just search Meta Horizon on the App Store, install and open it. Now log in with the same Meta account that you're using on your Quest 3, allow the pop-ups, and after that on the top left corner, you'll tap on your MetaQuest logo. Here you need to make sure it says headset connected. If it says disconnected or connecting, make sure your Quest is turned on and is logged in. Now just tap on Cast, Next, then Start Casting. Now it will tell you to put on your Quest, so go ahead and put it on. Now whatever you're seeing on your MetaQuest 3 will be streamed to your iPhone, so you can share your experience with anyone. That's all there is to it. Hope you found this useful, and I'll see you in the next one.